Hello students, welcome back. I'm Rinkesh sir, and today we'll continue with exercise 10.1 of chapter number 10, that is straight lines. Okay, till now we have completed till question number 10. Now let's start with question 11. Question number 11. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. If tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slopes of the line. Okay. Now see here it is given that the slope of one line is double the other. Means if I take m1 equal to m, then m2 will be equal to 2m. Okay. Now see the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. So if theta is the angle between L1 and L2, then tan theta will be equal to 1 by 3. Now you have to find out the slopes of the line. Means you have to find out m1 and m2. Now we know that the formula for angle between two lines is tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So 1 by 3 will be equal to m1 will be equal to m and m2 is equal to 2m upon 1 plus m into 2m, that will be equal to 2m square. Now see, when I remove modulus, I have to take, or else first let's rearrange m minus 2m, it will be minus 2m upon 1 plus 2m square. So minus modulus of minus 2m upon 1 plus 2m square, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now when I remove modulus, once I have to take positive value and another time I have to take negative value. That means minus 2m upon 1 plus 2m is equal to 1 by 3, or minus 2m upon 1 plus 2m equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, cross multiplying here, minus 2 into 3 minus 6m is equal to 1 plus 2m. Taking on the other side, it will be minus 6m minus 2m. Okay, sorry, it's m square. So taking everything on one side will be 2m square plus 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and on the other side, sorry, here we have made a mistake. M minus 2m, that will be equal to minus m, not minus 2m. So it's minus m minus m. So it will be minus 3m. Okay, so 2m square plus 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, on this side, minus minus gets cancelled. So 3m equal to 1 plus 2m square. Square here. So 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Here also it's plus 1. Okay, so now let's factorize, taking it on other side. 2m square plus 3m plus 1. So when I factorize, I can take 2m square. 3m means plus 2m plus m plus 1 equal to 0. 2m common, m plus 1 common, m plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so I can write down 2m plus 1, m plus 1 equal to 0. So m will be equal to minus 1 by 2 because 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 1 by 2. And m is equal to minus 1. On the other side, if I solve this equation 2, okay, then it will be 2m square, it's minus 3m, so I can write it down minus 2m minus m plus 1 equal to 0. So 2m common, m minus 1 minus 1 common, m minus 1 equal to 0. 2m minus 1, m minus 1 equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 by 2 or m is equal to 1. So if m is equal to 1 by 2, clear, then m1 minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. m2 2m, so minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2, sorry, minus 1 and minus 2. In this case, when m1 is 1 by 2 or 1, m2 will be equal to 2 into 1 by 2, 1 and 2. So these are the slopes of the line. Okay, so this was about question number 11. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 12. Line passes through point x1, y1 and hk. If slope of the line is m, show that k minus y1 equal to m h minus x1. Okay, so let's take the point A x1 y1 and B hk. If I draw any line, let this point be A, that is x1 y1, and B, that is hk. Now see, slope it is given m. Slope is equal to m. What is the formula for slope? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. In this case, I can take this as x2 and y2. Okay, so here m will be equal to y2, that is k minus y1, that is this y1, upon x2, here it's h1 minus x1, this is x1. Okay, so what does this imply? When I cross multiply it, m into h, it's not h1, it's h minus x equal to k minus y1, or k minus y1 equal to m into h minus x1. Okay, so hence we had proved that when a line passes through x1, y1 and hk, if the slope is m, then k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. So this was about question number 12. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 13. Question number 13. If 3 points h0, ab and 0k lie on a line, show that a by h plus b by k equal to 1. First, let's take this point as a h 0, b a b and c 0. Okay, so I can just draw it a random line and name this point as A H0 B AB and C 0. Okay, because it is given all these 3 points lie on the same line. Okay, now we have to prove that A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. Okay, now see, all these points are lying on the same line, means A, B and C are collinear. Okay, A, B and C are collinear. That means slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC will be equal to slope of AC. Okay, so let's start with slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Okay, because all these 3 points are collinear. So the slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Now what is the formula for slope? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So when I take AB, okay, this and this, I will take this as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, what is y2 here? B minus y1, that is 0, upon x2 minus x1, that is a minus x1, that is h. This will be equal to now slope of BC. So now point B I will take x1 y1 and point C I will take x2 y2. Okay, so it will be k minus B, that is y2 minus y1, upon x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus B. So this will be equal to B upon A minus H equal to K minus B upon B. Clear? So now let's, sorry, it's not B, it's A. Here we are making a mistake. It's 0 minus A. So it's K minus B by A. So let's cross multiply it. Okay, so AB will be equal to K minus B, A minus H. AB will be equal to K into A, AK. K into H minus KH. A into B minus AB. B into H minus minus plus BH. Okay, so now what I will do when I take AB on the other side, when I take AB on the other side, what I will get, 2AB will be equal to, sorry, once again we have made a mistake, here it's minus A, so it will be minus A. Okay, so minus AB will get cancel. So I can write it down, KH on the other side. KH is equal to AK plus PH. Okay, so now let's divide both the side by KH. Divide both sides by KH. KH by KH equal to AK by KH plus BH by KH. So KH gets cancelled. AK gets cancelled. So A by H. HH gets cancelled. So B by K. Hence, I proved that A by H plus B by K, that is equal to 1. Okay. So see, hence we had proved that A by H plus B by K equal to 1. What we did, we took all 3 points on a line, as all 3 points are collinear. So slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Now using the formula slope equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and solving it further, dividing both sides by kh, we proved that A by H plus B by K equal to 1. So this was about question number 13. So just note it down. And let's move to the next question, that is the last for this exercise. Question number 14. Question number 14. Consider the following population and year graph. Find the slope of line AB using it and find what will be the population in the year 2010. Okay. So now see here, there are two questions asked. First, you have to find out slope of AB. Okay, and then you have to find out the population in the year 2010. Okay, so now see, let's write down first point A here. It's 1985-92. So point A is 1985 and 92. Let's take this as x1 and this as y1. Point B, that is 1995 and 97. Let's take this as x2 and this as y2. Okay, the first question, that is slope of AB. Slope of AB, that will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Y2, that is 97, minus y1, that is 92. Okay, upon x2, that is 1995, minus x1, that is 1985. Okay, so 97 minus 92, that will be equal to 5. 1995 minus 1985, that will be equal to 10. So reducing it, I will get that slope of AB is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. This is the answer of our first question. That is, find the slope of line AB. Okay. Now the second question asked. Okay. In second question, you have to find out the population in year 2010. Okay. So what I can do, I can extend this line. Okay. If I take this point 2010, and extrapolate on the line. Okay, so this point, let's name this point as C. This is 2010. Okay, and this will be some y that we don't know, so let's place it as y. Okay, so this is point C. Its x coefficient, x coordinate is 2010, and y coordinates, let's take it as y. So what will be y? That will be the population. Okay, in crore. Okay, that will be the population in crore. Now you can see that A, B, and C all are collinear. All the 3 points lie on the same line. So I can write it down that slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Okay, means slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Now see, slope of AB we had already found it out, that is 1 by 2. Let's put down direct value. Slope of BC. Now in this case I will take B as x1 y1 and C as x2 y2. So it will be y2 minus y1. We know that y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, see in this case we have taken a different thing. Point B as x1 y1, like B 1995 97. This we are taking as x1 y1. And C 2010 y, this we are taking as x2 y2. Okay, so y2, that is y minus 97 upon x2, that is 2010 minus 1995. 1 by 2 will be equal to y minus 97 upon 2010 minus 1995, that will be 15. Okay, so cross multiplying, 15 equal to 2y minus 97 into 2, that is 194. Okay, so 2y will be equal to 15 plus 194, that is 209. That implies y equal to 209 by 2 or 104.5. Okay, so the population in which year? It's 2010. In 2010 will be 104.5 crore. Okay, this is the answer of second question. Okay, so what we did, we just took 2010 and plot the point on the line AB and took 2000, the y coordinate we took it as y. So then as ABC are collinear, we took slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB we had already found out, and for BC y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So putting the value, we found out y equal to 104.5. So the population in 2010 will be 104.5 crore. Okay, so that was about question number 14. Just note it down. Okay, so here we completed exercise 10.1. So that's it for today. Thank you.